And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a kit review of something which I've just found in the garage in a box. I forgot completely that I have this one. It's the Opel GT from Revell in 1-32. And yeah, this is what the box looks like. Nothing exciting here. There you go. Here we have the back of the box. Perfect. And this kit is from 1970, I believe it was first popped. And then 1974, 1980, and then it was very, very quiet. And now it kind of, the Opel GT became a bit of a classic, and it came back in 2016 with this repop. And that was, I think, the last we heard from the Opel GT. It's only 21 parts, as you can see here. So this will be a quick one. When I was young in Germany, this was the bee's knees. If you ever seen one, oh, your heart started pumping. And then it had this mechanical chatung to get the heads up, the lights up and down. It was just the best. American friends, I think you could possibly call it a mini Corvette at the time. That's what we had. Let's have a quick look at the instruction, and it will be a quick look. Here they are. Here they have the Opel GT. The instructions obviously have been redone. They didn't look like that in 1970. Normal color, the normal warnings. You know, 2 pages already wasted with warnings. Then for Revell, this is a very, very small color call-out. No problem there. Then you have here the sprues, as you can see. No only reason to get confused here. And here you build the whole thing together, starting out with the dashboard and the inside, the body, the wheels, some trim, done. And this is what it looks like at the end. Now what I haven't seen in this kit, I must not tell you, it just hits me. I haven't seen any glass. It's maybe stuck in the box. Ooh, nothing in the box. So there obviously will be some acetate fiddling necessary to get this kit built. But that's alright, we can do that. Let's have a quick look at the decals, because that one, that it does have. Here we go. You see, you get even whiteboard decals if you desire to do so. Here the dashboard decals, which I always like. Some other trim and markings, Opel GT markings and stuff right over here. And then registration plates for the whole of Europe, which is very, very nice, and Arkansas as well. Lots of these registration plates all look very, very different today. All European Union plates. Then the tires come like this. As you can see, very nice. Obviously need a bit of a cleanup, but they are somewhat soft, so you will be alright with those. Then let's have the parts screw. Here you go, all in orange. Whole thing, no problem whatsoever. As you can see, it's a curbside, no engine details. All engine details you will get is what you see down here. Right, and these are grey parts, which now the kits might have been chrome parts. They are not chrome parts here, so some of these parts should be chrome, so we will be chroming them ourselves. Here you go. And then obviously, last but certainly not least, the body. The beautiful Opel GT body. Now you might have seen, and you see it here as well, that it is a 1970s kit. And as such, you have flash and you have seam lines all over the show, and it obviously is a small kit, and it has only 31 parts. But if you like the Opel GT and you see it somewhere cheaply, I would suggest to buy it because it's a cult car and I'm certainly looking forward building it and getting everything done in it. I'm not sure if I lost the glass part or if it doesn't come with glass part or if it comes with acetate. It doesn't say. Box got their plastic screw, decal sheet and vinyl. And that's it. That's all that comes in here. Alrighty. Oh yeah, let's have a look in the instructions. There it shows all the parts. Oh yeah, it should have had, you see, there is a clear part right over here. So I'm sure if you get it, you will have that clear part. Somehow mine disappeared. But I will do with something, I will make do with something else. Well, thanks very much for popping in. This was a quick look at the Opel GT from Revell in 132. And to be quite honest, I don't think there are many other Opel GTs around if you are interested in that kind of subject to build. And this is your choice. Thanks very much for looking. Hope you guys have a lovely, lovely day and a good time. And greetings from Cape Town.